Welcome you all to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how do you remove the background of a photo easily. Set a new background and also put photo frame on the picture. For this, first we will open the photo. And let's move to the Frames and Backgrounds tab in the PhotoKaya software. Once here you will see the button Remove Bogey. Just click on this Remove Busy button once. You will see that the background is removed. All the backgrounds you have in your collection, you can also drop those backgrounds. This drag is in busy area. Select any photo background. Drop the drag in the busy area. The photo will be quickly inserted into the background. Those who have not installed this software yet, for them, the download link of the software is given in the description box. To insert photo frame, select any frame. If you drag and drop, the frame will be inserted. You can use any frame in PNG format here. Finally, you can flatten and save the JPG. You can check out more videos on photo adjustments on our channel. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.